Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok on your PC. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is open up your preferred internet browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. Once you're in Google Chrome, head over to the URL bar and type in www.tiktok.com. Then press enter. Now as you can see, we've landed on the TikTok homepage. Simply if you want to log in your ID at the top right corner you can a login button. Click on it. Now from here you can log in with Google ID, Apple ID etc. Now, if you want to view TikTok as if you're on a mobile device, you can do that too. In Google Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right of the page. Then hover over More Tools and select Developer Tools. Now, at the top left corner, there's a button that says Toggle Device Toolbar. Click on it. TikTok now looks like it does on a mobile device. To switch back to desktop view, simply click the toggle button again and you will back to the desktop view. Another way to access TikTok on your PC is by downloading the TikTok app from the Microsoft Store. To do this, simply open your Microsoft Store. And in the search bar, type in TikTok. When it shows up, click on it. Then click on Install. Here it is showing open because I have already downloaded. And once it's downloaded, click on Open. And you'll have a fully functional TikTok app right on your PC. And there you have it. Using TikTok on your PC is as easy as that. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Goodbye.